Okay, so we've got a 2018, a December 18 Volkswagen Amaraok in a TDI550. So it's the V6 turbo diesel, dual cab 4x4. Got the tow bar there, yes. Alloy wheels, the nice all-terrain tyres. Got the side steps, rhubar, bull bar spotlights, Bush Ranger LEDs. Good value at $49,999. And she's only travelled 87,000 Ks and has a great service history. Got two keys. What's that? You've got your Bluetooth connectivity, radio controls, and there's your dash there. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, nice colour screen though. It's a dual zone climate air, and of course it's automatic with your full four-wheel drive options there as well. So the interior seat trim, all in excellent condition, comes with side airbags as well, and there's your logbooks. And your back seat, pretty much like brand new. Just a good all-round truck. All inquiries are welcome. Please give us a call.